Cleaning a flat top on the stove can be a challenge due to the scratch-prone glass surface, especially if abrasive cloths and strong cleaners are used. Therefore, we reveal to you how to clean a flat hob in a very simple and quick way. Use any product designed to remove grease and stubborn deposits. Apply to the work surface and pour over 100 milliliters of warm water mixed with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Spread evenly and cover with cling film. Leave on for an hour or overnight for even better results. Remove the transparent film and gently clean the worktop. Wipe with a damp cloth and your worktop will thank you. If you want more content like this or similar, subscribe to the channel for free and share this useful content with your friends on social networks. Until the next video, greetings.